working around the kitchen, listening to music, phone calls, or getting information with Siri. Double tap and tap again to close out. We're going to show you what these AirPods and talk about are about. From the provider, Mozy is a pair of earbuds 36 hours long. YYK Q68 TWS is the model number. It comes with the case, rechargeable. We're going to open up the product, show you what it's about. True wireless high fidelity earbuds. Comes in a nice plastic case with an instruction guide. Everything that you need to know about your unit. Replaceable earbuds, small and large, with the USB-A and micro cable charging. A nice case the size of a finger. It opens up. Please remove the plastic or white tabs to allow the unit to fully charge. The tabs are removed. The 2 gold pins are your rechargeables. This is one earpiece, marked L. Simply place into the air. Grab the other and repeat for the same. They're noise canceling, easy to use, listen to your music, Android and iOS. When placing into the case, we have a number 100, a nice red light for charging. As we close the case, on the top, you see the 100% through the smoke window and the charging. How to operate your MFB, the instructions, very simple to do. Open up your phone, go into the settings, open up the earbuds, pull out. As they pull out, they'll blink a blue and purple, blue and red, making a purple, known as YK Q68 TWS Connect. We are connected just like that. If we put on the music station, you can hear the music and the audio. He's flying down the sidewalk. Disconnecting for getting the device off of the phone and using for the computer is simply opening up, pulling out, and going into the pair mode, adding the device, Bluetooth, YYK, connecting. We are now able to use our device to our computer. The headphones are ready to use, and you can hear what it says on the video. With 1 or 2, phone rings, tap once, answer the call. To reject, tap twice on the earbuds. 3 times on the earbuds connects to Siri. Either one to stop Siri, double tap left or right ear. To power on, 3-second hold on the earpiece, and to power off, 5 full seconds to shut down. To play, click once. To go to the forward song, click twice on the right ear. To the previous, click twice on the left ear, not the right ear. We are only allowed to talk about how the AirPods or earbuds sound. They fit nice and comfortable in the ear, easy to remove, and if need to change out one of the earbud pieces, the plugs, we'll show you how. Simply grab, pull, take one out, grab, and simply slide on, like so. Open up, pick the size you desire, left or right ear, pull out, snap on. Simple as that. To clean, with the brush optional. So if you're looking for a pair of earbuds that you could dance to the music, these may be something that you are looking for. Thank you for viewing.